Now, as I mentioned already, I'm basing this off the Quill18 Creates multiplayer tutorial videos that he's done, and I'm also digging into the resources from the Ludum Dare entry, all his videos on Twitch there on how he was making multiplayer first-person shooter for that competition, which was amazing. And the game is really good. I should link that too. Okay, but just in my own defense with this multiplayer tutorial, I have made my own flying kind of shooters before, so I'm not directly immediately copying everything. Okay, so I've had my own go at playing flying little shooters here like this. If I can get close enough to one, they're deformable asteroids. It's me having a go at meshes and deforming the meshes. Too far away to see it. We just did some damage to that one. I was speed up next. And there comes another spaceship. There's a few of them around. Okay, these multicolour asteroids that have a moon texture on them. When you shoot them, they deform. They're still too far away. So the missile start blowing a couple of these guys up. Okay, so hopefully you'll see this mesh caving. The top, put a hole in it. There we go, starting to see some dents into that asteroid now. There we have it. So I have had a go at this kind of thing before. And middle mouse to target. The target flies around. And let's click to shoot missile. It's too quick. And missile. There we go. Okay, so I have made flying shooters before, and that one kind of like turned into my tribute to Ace Combat. Just did the same thing pretty much, but on the terrain. Added a few more things, and I've got a camera here. If I zoom in and out, it's the map, all the other enemies. If I turn around this way, look up, I should see some enemies. And when they get close enough, it's the same thing with the targeting. I've also got different cameras. So I was just going to blow up. That was missile cam. Let's go another missile cam. Missile cam. They explode and they fall to the ground. Another little explosion when they hit the ground. Yeah, so this is just to show that I have done shooters, but this isn't the whole point of what I'm showing. Because I'm going to rebuild something like this. I've already done videos of me doing it, but they're very quiet. So these are probably still quiet, but I'm trying to be better than I was in the last ones. And finally, I think I had a rear vision camera. Yep, so I can see what's behind me. And that's about it. So the idea is to try and make something like this a multiplayer. So yeah. Let's do a multiplayer one of them. Yeah, what was I getting at with all this? So yeah, I was also going to demonstrate where I've gotten to so far in my multiplayer testing. Okay, so yeah, that's why I filtered out all the photon stuff. It does some weird things. And also, I've seen one, mucks around with your build settings too. Okay, but it hasn't. Let's just go build and run on this. Yes, replace it. Okay, so this game should come up. Let's get rid of the build window. Okay, so that game I just built has come up. And on here, we should see, okay, after all the networking information goes through, the ship should be created, and then I should have control of that ship flying it around. Okay, and there's my ship. Oh, that's the new ship, it's not the old ship. Okay, I had a different ship in there before. Anyway, so there's a ship flying around. So if I go into Unity, and I join the same room, and there took a second for it to sort itself out, but there's me in the same room with that other ship. And how can we test this? I can test player. I'll bring his speed right down. Okay, now go into this other game. Let's turn around. Should I see him turn around there? Turning around, and there's the other guy. Should be flying towards him. There we go. Do a little loop to loop as I come. Okay, so that's as far as I've got. But it's wonderful things. I mean, everything says to me that is networking. That's two spaceships hitting each other. That's all they do. They just fly around with each other so far. But that's where it comes up to at the end of the Quill videos. So now I'm going to try and incorporate a little bit more from what I've learnt from his Live and Dare entry as well. And I'm not just outright copying things and that. I'm trying to learn how to do this networking stuff for myself and in Unity's JavaScript. So there's all a startup to what I'm going to be building in this brand new space shooter project. And again, so far to recap, all we've done is imported the essential parts of the Photon Unity networking, and then we dragged out the plugged-in folders, plugins folder to the main directory, and also dragged out the utility scripts into the plugins folder. As otherwise it just breaks, it doesn't work. And set up your Photon app ID. Okay, let's get into making some things happen.